Let's put some fluid in a PC. Step 1, find a PC. Step 2, distilled water. Nice and full, go ahead and start screwing it down. Next, plug the pump into an external power supply, which has one of these, which makes it think that it's plugged into a motherboard. Put down your paper towels to make sure that you don't spill anything or there's no leaks. Insert tube and start squeezing. Check to make sure there's no initial leaks right away. Always plan your drain valve. Enjoy the process. Fill to the brim. Flip the switch and watch things happen. Turn it off. Check for leaks. Continue to fill. Don't forget about the giveaway. All that stuff in the background right there is eligible, or almost all of it. Definitely in the monitors. Refill the bottle as needed and hit the switch again. Watch everything go and do its thing. Boom! That's the pump. We want to get all the air out of the pump. Keep checking for leaks. Hit the switch again. Liking what I'm seeing. As air leaves all the track parts, like inside the radiator, this fluid level will continue to go down. And so you want to keep pushing it up. This becomes silent as all the air leaves the pump. That little vortex is more air. Turn it off. Bloop, 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 bloop. We want that air out of there. Be strong and tip with one hand. That helps to get some of the air out of the system. And finally, take some time to admire your accomplishments. What, you thought you were going to see the actual full finished build? No. You're going to have to subscribe to my YouTube for that one. At least for now. And then don't forget, I am doing giveaways for October. So follow the directions in my pinned video here on TikTok. Because I got too much stuff. I got to give them away. Take them off my hands.